How to cancel an order on Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz, then log into your account. Next, navigate to the My Order section from the home page. Here you can see a list of all your orders along with your current status. To cancel an order with seller delivery, select the order you want to cancel and click on the Cancel Order button. You can only cancel the order before the seller starts collecting it. Once the cancellation is confirmed, your payment will be refunded according to Uzum Market's refund policy. Cancelling an order early ensures you avoid unnecessary delays and get your money back quickly. Make sure to check your order status before attempting to cancel, as orders already being delivered cannot be cancelled. Now you know how to cancel an order on Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.